It's an interesting one because there's a lot of people who are very distrustful of AI and where it is, and a lot of what people interpret AI to be is very different to the practical applications of what's available to finance leaders at the moment. The best AI examples are use cases that actually effectively produce better results than what an individual could do. And I saw a very good sort of article on this where what are the exact use cases you want to focus on based on what the level of manual input and the level of creativity is needed. And basically your manual data entry is a huge risk to business. So you want to automate, and that's pretty self-explanatory, and machine learning can do that. Where AI adds that advantage is putting intelligence over and above that to give you a little bit better insights in terms of what's actually happening. A few of the AI models that work really well within the finance space, and particularly on Sage Intacct, is one of the modules is a GL outlier. So this is one that you can set tolerance levels for certain transactions and journals that are coming into the system and identifying before it actually gets processed. So that is a very good way of using AI, which has a learning model which actually makes it better as it goes forward. One of the most used functions that we've seen in the last 2 to 3 years is the automation of supplier invoices coming into the system. So using OCR, optical character recognition, and taking what's on the vendor invoice and producing it into a draft bill and then being available to process. That saves from a massive amount of times from manual data capture, but it also reduces the errors that would happen normally when someone is typing in data manually, and the repetitive tasks that humans do get bored and they do make mistakes. So I think it's a very interesting space that we play in, that a lot of people are a little bit fearful of AI, but the practical applications and how it can leapfrog your own business by using the right use cases, it definitely is the route that most CFOs are looking for at the moment.